Sophia Schechter, and this is my YouTube channel. Today I have two special guests with me, Parker and today we are going to make a red velvet heart-shaped cake for Valentine's Day. Today we're going to be needing
an offset spatula, a heart cake tin, red velvet cake mix, pink and red food coloring for our white icing, some sprinkles, and a mixing bowl and utensil.
And for our red velvet cake mix, we are going to use 1 cup of water, 3 large eggs, and a 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. And we are going to be using box mix because ain't nobody got time for that. Let's get started. Hi everyone, I'm back, and me and Parker are going to be making the cake batter, and Harper is going to be mixing the food dye into the frosting. And I forgot to mention, but you're gonna want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, so we're gonna do it. Pour it in. 1 cup of water going in. You can go ahead and do that. For this, we're gonna need 10 drops of red food coloring
And 6 drops of pink.
in goes the oil, 1/3 cup of oil. Ooh, I can already see it turning red. And we're gonna do 3 eggs there. All right, now let's mix.
That's funny. Guys, I just made a total mess.
And
It's really
guys,
bad.
look, it started off brown and now it's like red, like literally. That is so
Look, this
cool.
is the mess I made.
Transformation.
I'm joking. Guys, save my soul.
All right. Harper, how you doing with the food coloring?
Good. Mixing it.
Good. We'll get back to you guys when we're done mixing. All right, we're back. Parker is going to pour the cake batter into the pan, which we just put a piece of wax paper on it and we greased it with butter. And once it's out, Harper is going to frost it as long as everyone else, and then we're gonna put sprinkles on it, and the icing
Decorate
is
it.
pretty hot pink. It's like
It's like
pretty
a
good.
nice Valentine's color.
It's like really delicious. So Parker, go ahead and pour it into the pan.
Oh, that's really buttery.
Ooh, yeah, that is juicy.
Nice and juicy. Can you get the spatula?
Yes, I will. Do you need me to like scrape it in there? All right, and if you need a friend to hold it and then someone can just scrape it in there, that always works very good. And you can just use the utensil you use to mix it. Wow, this is gonna be
That's good.
delish. No, we need to.
But I feel like this one's
All right, guys. All right, you can lift it up now. All right, and it tastes.
The batter tastes really good, but don't eat it because it has raw egg in it.
All right, and you're gonna preheat the oven to 350, and it's gonna be in there for about 25 minutes.
Oh, frick.
This is child friendly, Parker.
Sorry.
Sorry, family friendly. And it's gonna be in there for 25 minutes, like I said. All right, see you next time.
Welcome back. So what we just did is we just pulled the heart cake out of the oven, and now we're putting it in the freezer to cool, and then we're gonna get back to you, and it's
Yes,
gonna be
and
decoration.
sadly Harper had to leave, but she will not leave until about 30 minutes from now. So I think we can cool the cake, and if we can't get it frosted tonight, then we'll frost it tomorrow morning, and we'll film that too.
Yes.
So, see you guys later. Okay, guys, so we took it out of the fridge, and we are just showing you guys because you didn't get to see it. So we're gonna pop it back in the fridge so it can cool completely, and then after that we're gonna ice
decorate
it with
Sparkle
yummy,
it on.
and we're gonna put sprinkles on it, and then hopefully we can do that tonight. But if not, then
tomorrow.
we'll do it tomorrow. Okay? So bye.
Hi everyone, it is day 2 of our cake making. We took the cake out of the fridge. It is completely cooled, and now we're going to ice it. And then we're gonna sprinkle these red and white sprinkles on it, and then we're gonna line each of these up on the outside here. Yes. So let's get started. Are you gonna put that on first? Girl, you gotta need more than that. I know. Just gonna- yeah, and then- Alright, so then you just wanna spread it, and you can never have too much icing, okay? You always want enough icing. If you think it's too little, then add more. Go with your gut. You really should add all the icing that you have, and you don't want to press down too hard, or else you're going to get all the crumbs, and that's going to be a pain in the butt to get all the crumbs all smoothed out. And I actually have a little tool with me. Alright, so the top is looking pretty smoothed out. Alright, I think that's pretty good. Alright, now we're going to do the edges. This icing actually tastes really nice. And the cake is looking pretty good. You don't want to add too much food coloring to the icing, or else it's gonna taste disgusting. Luckily, we didn't do that. So, yeah, but we were so close to it. Harper says it. Harper says it. That's fresh. Okay, we're just gonna smooth out all of these edges. Wait, kind of looks like a crumb coat right now. But we are not gonna crumb coat these edges. Easy. Because there are no crumbs to be made, because all the crumbs are on the other side. Because it was already level. I think we're almost done. I just need to add a bit more frosting, because we have a bunch of frosting left. Alright, don't smooth it out too much, because if you smooth it out too much, then it's just gonna like take all the icing off. So now we're trying to make it smooth. And really, you don't really need it to look smooth, because you're not like sewing it, right? Yeah. Unless you are, then you should. Baking tips with Sophia Schechner. Also on Facebook, I have a baking account. It's called Sideline Sweets. Sorry about that. I make like stuff for like baseball, soccer, and you can like place orders in it. So check it out. It's on Facebook. Sideline Sweets. I don't have a lot of pictures on it, but that's okay. I think that's good. Alright. Well, we have a lot more icing left, so we're just gonna use all of it because there's still brown spots where I can see. There's the cake. We want the icing to be thick. It would be cool if we could put these ones on the well, we have enough sprinkles, but we don't have enough time. Guys, where's it making this? Where's this? It's really thin. Alright, this is good thickness. Anyways, we will get back to you guys when we're done icing the cake. Okay, so stay tuned. Hi everyone. Okay, we're back, and the cake is smooth but not too smooth. We are going to use a star tip. Let me tell you guys what size it is. Okay. This is size. It doesn't say, but it's a star tip. It's just a normal star tip. Okay, let's screw this back on. And I'm using one of these so that you can like flip the tips in case like it's not working or something. My little trick is I just put it in a bag, and this is a reusable bag. Other ones, but it's just one of these. I just put it in a cup, and then I just let it be there. Alright, let's fill it up. And we're gonna do it on the top first, and if we have enough still, we're gonna do it on the bottom too. So, usually like 16 drops of food dye is like the limit you should do. Unless like you want it super red, but yeah, if you want it super red, you usually have to put 36 drops of it. Okay, good. Thank you. And once like it gets up to the top there, you can kind of like just put it on paint instead. Because that's really how you're supposed to do it. I'm just gonna put it there so that because you girl lazy. Alright, we're just gonna use this, and if we don't have enough, then we'll just burn. So I'm gonna do the first one, and then since Parker sees how to do it, she can do it. Yeah, she can do it. Alright, it looks like it's purple in the bag since the bag is blue. And what you want to do is I'm actually gonna get a rubber band. Can you get a rubber band? And I'm gonna tie it right here because you don't want any icing coming up from the top. You could either just twist it and hold it like this, or you can just tie a rubber band around it. That's what I'm gonna do here. It's just easier. Let's do this like the girls do. Alright, I'm just gonna do the first one, and I'm going to start at the center right here, and I'm just gonna go up. The bag just went up and down, up and down, up and down. It's not the bag, it's the coffee. No, it's not, it's the bag. I can feel the air pushing it. It's almost like you're doing little circles. And then once I get to the middle, I go from there. Hold it right here. You have to hold it at the top. Oh! It's gonna be a fun cake. Look, it's coming out, Parker. You have to hold it like right there. I know. It hurts. I know. Don't push too much out because you're really starting to do it. Oh, that's interesting. You did it fast though. Alright, now we're gonna do the same thing on the bottom. Yeah, I'm gonna move you guys. So that you can get a better view.
Okay guys, so this is our finished product. Parker added some swirls right here just to make it pretty. Here, I'm gonna move you guys so you can see. Looks good, right guys? Don't you think? Right? She has like a little heart there and everything. Yeah. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'm Sophia Schechner, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications. But adios, amigos!